Welcome to You Again Yoga. I'm Jo, and here is your 10-minute wake up. So fantastic for easing the body into the day and filling yourself full of that positive energy. So beginning in a cross-legged position or kneeling if that feels better for you. As we inhale, reach the arms up overhead. As you exhale, the right arm comes down to the floor, left arm reaches up and over to the right hand side. Inhale back to center, both arms come up. Exhale, side bend over towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, over to the right. Inhale, center, lengthen the body. And exhale, stretch out that right side. Come back to the center, inhale, reach up. Left hand comes to right knee and gently rotate over your right shoulder. Inhale back to center. Exhale, twisting over towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twisting to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twisting to the left. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, both hands come down onto your knees. Inhale, puff the chest up, lift your heart space up to the sky. And as you exhale, draw your belly in, draw your rib cage in and lengthen the back of the body. Inhale, the front of your body stretches by lifting up the heart space. Exhale, the back of your body stretches by folding inwards, lengthening the spine. One more, inhale. Exhale, let it go. Beautiful. Inhale back to center. Take your hands behind you, fingertips face forward. Squeeze your shoulder blades and your elbows close as you can behind you to open up the heart space. Lift up the chin to come into a small back bend. Fill up the lungs. And exhale, walk the hands forward and take a forward fold. So it doesn't matter how deep you are coming into the forward fold. It is the morning, we feel a little bit stiffer. Just simply relax the neck, relax the shoulders, and just surrender to the ground, using your hands or your elbows to support you. Breathe. Inhale, pushing into the floor, coming back up. If your legs were crossed, take the reverse cross, so the other leg comes in front. If you were kneeling, stay where you are. And exhale, we come back into our forward fold. And breathe again, releasing the head, releasing the shoulders. Feeling that little stretch in the lower back, maybe in the hips, in the glutes, maybe the inner thighs. And on your inhale, pushing up, coming back to sit upright. Coming onto all fours, hands and knees. Curl the toes under and we transition into our downward facing dog. So the hips guide up towards the sky. You can walk your hands out a little bit further if you need a little bit more space for your downward dog. Now your knees do not need to be straight. They can be bent so that you can encourage the back of your spine to be long. Exhale and press the armpits down towards the earth. Feel the chest opening. Make sure the head is relaxed. If the legs can lengthen a little bit more, encourage the heels down towards the mat. But again, the legs do not need to be straight. The heels do not need to touch your mat. Breathe here. Feel the length and the space in your body. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, sighing through the mouth. Stepping your right leg in between your hands, so drawing your knee in towards your chest and step that foot through between your hands. Drop the back knee down towards the earth. Inhale, reach the fingertips up towards the sky. Engage your abdominals and tuck the tailbone under so that your belly is supporting your spine. Inhale to lengthen the fingertips up. Exhale, and we open up towards that front leg. Inhale, bring the fingertips up towards the sky. Exhale, open the arms up and twist towards your front leg. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, open up and twist towards that front leg. Beautiful. Reach the fingertips in opposite directions, energizing your body. Breathe here. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, place the hands back down either side of your foot. Curl your left toes under, and as you exhale, pick up the right foot and come back into your downward facing dog. Now take your dog for a little walk, bending and stretching one leg, then the other leg. You can shake out your hips, finding a little bit more space in that lower back. Then when you're ready, exhale and come into your stillness in your downward dog, pressing the armpits down, lengthening the back of the body. Your left leg steps forward in between your palms this time, dropping the back knee down towards the earth. Inhale, lift the fingertips up towards the sky. Again, engage your abdominals, tuck the tailbone under. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, and we twist over towards the left this time over your front leg. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, open up the arms, twist towards the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist. Feel the fingertips reaching in opposite directions. Breathe here, lengthen the spine, energize the body. Inhale, lift back up towards the sky. Exhale, draw the palms either side of your foot, curl your right toes back under, and exhale, push yourself back into your downward dog. Again, taking that dog for a little walk. Loosening up the back of the body, loosening up the hips. Remember to relax the neck, relax the jaw. Beautiful. Find your downward facing dog in its stillness, pressing the armpits down, encouraging the heels to come down towards the mat. Knees do not need to be straight. And when you're ready, slowly walking the feet, tiny little steps towards the hands, bending the knees generously until the feet are underneath the hips and you can ragdoll fold over your legs. You can hold onto your elbows and take yourself for a little sway right and left, just encouraging that lower back to loosen up, ready for the day. Breathing deep. Come to stillness over your thighs, belly resting on those legs. Release the hands down to the earth. Now feel into your big toes, into your little toes, and into all sides of your heels. And then pushing down into the floor, rolling up through the spine, one vertebrae at a time. Head is the last thing to come up. Breathe in this beautiful, strong standing position. Notice your head stacked on top of your shoulders, shoulders on top of your hips, hips on top of your heels, and your feet solid into the ground. Taking our breath of joy. This is a beautiful, energizing breath, fantastic for the morning. So the feet are hip width distance apart, soft knees. We're taking 3 inhales, filling up the lungs with each inhale. The arms swing forward, side, up, and then on our exhale, we exhale through the mouth and swing the body over the legs. So it looks like this. 8 breaths together, let's go. Exhale, inhale, 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 exhale, in, let it go. Find the joy in the movement, find the playfulness. 2 more. Last one. Inhale, lift the fingertips up towards the sky. exhale, let everything go. Take a moment to pause. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the energy flowing through your body. Feel that breath. Feel the energized mind. Take a moment to thank yourself for giving yourself a great start to the day. Thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe for more short practices to calm a busy mind.